Hello, this is April with Easy Curly Hairstyles, and today's the banded ponytail tutorial. So I love this because my wavy curly hair gives it a lot of volume and puffiness, which is perfect for this style. And so first I took a triangle section at the top of my head. So from my eyes is the widest part of the triangle, and then I just narrowed it down so the point is right where I tied that little top pony. And that's going to be the first portion. Then from the tops of my ears, I'm just using my thumbs to section this part. And then it's at a diagonal up. And this is going to be the second banded section. And so yes, this is 3-day hair, so I do have product in it from the days before. I have some mousse and I have some gel. So this is where I have all the volume and the curls in there already. And I'm just using really thin, small hair ties, not the really tiny invisible ones. These are about the diameter of a quarter. These are the ones that I'm using, just because they match my hair color and they sort of disappear. But if you really wanted your bands to disappear, then you could wrap, a piece of the hair around each of the ponytail holders to disguise it as well. So the next section is going to go right at the base of my head. That'll be the third banded section. And just to show you, it's pretty simple. So just from that top, it's really that top bangs section that gives it this sleek back shape. So the third one is at the nape of my neck, and then with the length of my hair, I'm going to add one more at the middle of this ponytail. And my hair is layered, that's why you'll see some pieces sticking out, which I think is cute. It gives it some texture. So you see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 bands for the length of my hair. It actually makes my hair look longer because when it's down and curly, it springs up quite a bit. And so this gives it a longer, sleeker look, which I thought was really fun. Now I just hold down the hairband while I'm pulling tiny little sections of the hair out to get this puffed banded section. Then looking at the side, I'm just going to add a little volume where I want it there. And that's really it. It's so simple. It's easy to do on a simple curl day. I did refresh my curls, mostly just around my face because that was the spot that was going to be showing. And I did add a little bobby pin on the top because there was one sliver of hair that was sticking up higher than all the rest. So I just tucked that down with one bobby. Then I pulled down a little bit of hair in front of my ears for some softness to finish off the look. I did use Kenra 25 hairspray to set it all in place. And this style lasted all day long. So let me know if you tried this hairstyle. I'd love to see it. And if you'd like more hairstyle inspiration, I'll link a few more videos down below for barrette hairstyling, bobby pin hairstyle, and a lot more. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.